My name is Daniel. I'm from Quebec, and I'm the first time in Vancouver. I like it very much. And for the first time, I just swam in the Pacific. The Pacific means a lot for me. Just the name is kind of very inspiring name, and I knew it was cold water to get into, and I just did it this morning, and for the first time in my life, I think it won't be the last time. Maybe I'll come back tomorrow because I like it very much. And it was very inspiring to meet another person. She's from Ontario, and she swam at the same time of me. I just get in the water, and it was cold, and I saw her. She did. It was kind of you were getting in the water, yes. So I just jump in the water and get out in the same minute. And she just after me, she swam like 20 minutes. And I saw her, and I said to myself, I can't get in the water longer. So I swam like maybe 5 minutes, and after that I talked to this young person. She was not that young, but young as you know, as an individual. She inspired me to have a nice day today, and we talk about why people come here to. She moved from Ontario, and she came here to have a sense of liberty. You know, people choose this marvelous nature and water here just to have a more I'm just I don't know how to describe, but I will remember that first time for the rest of my life. Thank you for listening.